Good morning. Some people meditating on the beach. Some people already sleeping on the beach. You lazy vacationers. Oh yeah, and these guys are already got the Zamboni out here cleaning up this sargassum. Absolutely beautiful. And so the beach is laid out in a unique way. They have, we talked about it, it's got a family section, and it's got like a royal elite section, it's got a wedding section, it's got another royal elite section, it's got a, I guess, a handicapped and adults only membership area. And then in the water, you have places where you can swim, and there are places where jet skis come in, or boats go out, or kayaks go out, or sailboats go out, right? And so there's multiple areas along the beach. You just have to kind of, somebody will yell at you if you do something wrong, but right now you don't see anything. There's no boats, no sea-doos, no nothing. But in a few hours, all that stuff will start piling up. You can kind of see it right here. There's buoys, right? There's strings of buoys. And so that's one set, and there is another set just down, like maybe like 50 yards past that is another set of buoys. And so that little channel is where yeah, things like sea-doos will pick you up for parasailing, or where you'll take off, you'll rent a sea-doo, or not rent, but use one of the kayaks. They also have paddleboards, and so paddleboards and I believe the kayaks and the sailboats require like a $10 per stay insurance thing. And so yeah, come check out Sandos Playacar.